Several members of the Senate are considering a new tax on gasoline to be part of the energy and climate bill. The tax was suggested to help win approval, since the bill is still stuck in Congress. The tax bill has received some resistance from Democrats.
This bill is not where it needs to be yet. My interest particularly is Ohio manufacturing, that whatever we do on the climate change bill, it's not a tax bill to me, it's a jobs bill.
The tax bill could put a possible 15 cents on every gallon of gas in an effort to reduce fossil fuel consumption. But is that enough to make you change your driving habits?
I would probably drive about the same.
The 15-cent tax probably wouldn't be effective to keep me from driving just because I drive so much for my job.
How would an extra tax increase like this affect local businesses? The florists at Hilliard Floral Design make 150 deliveries a week, plus...
And then in addition, weddings. And most wedding deliveries take several trips.
So driving is a big part of her business, and an increased gas tax, well, is not going to stop her. And because of rising gas prices, she's had to include that in her delivery costs.
Every time you turn around, there's an increase here and an increase there. And I try and keep the prices very reasonable for my clients, for my customers. But at some point, you have to pass those on.
Christine does make an effort to save on gas consumption. She tries to group her deliveries into areas, all in an effort to keep costs down while gas prices continue to climb. Steve Wayne for NBC4.